I've made a very simple chart here of Monday to Friday and different animal types, dog, cat and bird, and put some numbers in between them. And so we can use this data here to make a graph, to make our data much more visually accessible. So I'm going to highlight the range of data that I want to turn into a chart. So I've highlighted that. I'm going to come across to the chart wizard over here, click on Insert Chart. So now I've made this chart. The first thing I want to do is get it off of my data. I can move it around, but actually I prefer to put it into its own worksheet. So I'm going to click on the ellipsis here, and I'm going to move to its own sheet. And so chart 1. So let's just rename that. Let's call it and you can do all kinds of things with this. So we can work on here. Let's just say that 70 was a mistake. If we delete that and make it 34, come back to the animal data, you'll see that data range has changed and the information has changed the same. It would have gone from 70 to 34. So that data is live on this chart. You can edit the chart. So you can decide, okay, let's have a look at this. What would that look like as a, I don't know, chart like this? You can have a look around bar chart or a column chart. It's entirely up to you. Obviously, this data is discrete, so it won't work as a line graph. That's you've got to make the right choice of data to demonstrate. Look at it like this. So unless you're doing a percentage, what percentage of the animals on Monday were each particular type, that could work for you as well. And see the data range over here. So you can change your data as you see fit. So let's go back to here to where we were. So that's how you very simply make a chart in Google Sheets.